Have you ever felt like you were always the backup plan, the second option, the one people turn to when their first choice isn't available? That feeling doesn't just hurt in the moment, it shapes how you see yourself, how you love, and how you show up in the world. This is the psychology of people who were never anyone's first choice. 1. They become expert observers. When you're constantly overlooked, you learn to watch. You notice who gets chosen and why. You study people's patterns, their preferences, their body language. This makes you incredibly perceptive, but it also keeps you on the outside looking in. You're analyzing instead of participating, protecting yourself from another rejection. 2. They overgive to earn their place. People who weren't first choices often become the most generous, most helpful, most accommodating people you'll meet. They give more than they receive because deep down, they're trying to prove their worth. They think, if I do enough, maybe I'll become someone's priority. But no amount of giving can fill the void of not being chosen for simply being yourself. 3. They struggle with self-worth. When you're repeatedly passed over, you start to believe something's wrong with you. You internalize the rejection. You think, I'm not enough. This creates a loop where you seek validation from others while simultaneously not believing them when they offer it. Compliments feel fake. Love feels temporary. 4. They fear being vulnerable. Opening up means risking rejection again. So they build walls. They keep people at arm's length, not because they don't want connection, but because being someone's second choice once was painful enough. They'd rather be alone than experience that again. 5. They celebrate others while dimming their own light. They're the friend who hypes everyone up but struggles to celebrate themselves. They're so used to being in the background that stepping forward feels wrong, even selfish. They've learned to make themselves smaller so others can shine. 6. They question every relationship. Do they really want me here, or am I just convenient? This doubt never fully goes away. Even when they find someone who genuinely chooses them, they wait for the other shoe to drop. But here's what they don't realize. Not being someone's first choice says nothing about your value. It says something about their vision, their timing, their limitations, not yours. If this resonates, understand this. You are not defined by who overlooked you. You are defined by who you choose to become despite it. So if you're ready to explore the deeper psychology of being human, hit subscribe. Because you're not just watching, you're finally understanding yourself.